Hire James, Episode 8, Lead Nurturing with AI Chatbots and Email Sequences. Most leads don't buy right away. They need time, education, and multiple touch points before they say yes. The problem is, following up manually is exhausting, and most people give up too soon. That's where AI comes in. With AI-powered chatbots, every visitor on your site gets a personal guide. They ask questions, qualify leads, and even book calls automatically. Then, on the back end, AI-driven email sequences warm up cold leads with value-packed content, case studies, and tailored offers. Instead of you chasing them, the system nurtures them day and night. It's like having a digital salesperson who never sleeps. Here's the magic. Because AI personalizes timing, tone, and messaging, your leads don't feel spammed. They feel understood. And when people feel understood, they buy. Now imagine dozens, even hundreds of cold leads slowly warming up in the background, all handled automatically until they're ready to take action. That's the power of AI nurturing. In the next episode, we'll flip to the other side of the client journey, customer support. Because once you land a client, how you serve them determines if they stay, and automation can transform that too.